Hello students, in our class today, let us look at the gradient and equation of a straight line. So the gradient of or a slope of a straight line given the graph. How do we solve for the gradient of a line? How gentle or steep the line is, that is the gradient. How steep or gentle the line is. To solve for the slope or to solve for the gradient of a line, we consider the movement or displacement along the vertical axis or y-axis against the horizontal displacement, that is x-axis. Therefore, the gradient is considered as change in y-axis all over change in x-axis. That is the y displacement all over the x displacement. Given that a line passes through the points x1, y1, and the second point is x2, y2, then how do we solve for the gradient? How do we solve for the gradient? As you can see, the slope of the line or the gradient of the line is equal to or equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So given the second example, which is just much explanation of the first example, so that is example 2. Given the 2 points along a straight line, a line AB passing through the points A, negative 1, 4, and B, negative 7, 8. Find the gradient of the line. As we have already seen, the gradient of the line is rise in the vertical scale or vertical axis against displacement in along the horizontal axis. That is to say, change in y over change in x. That is y2, as you can see, gradient equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. That is to say, 8 minus 4 all over 7 minus minus. That is 8 minus 4 over minus 7 plus 1, giving us gradient as 4 over negative 6, simplified as 2 over negative 3. That is 2 over negative 3 or negative 2 over 3. For that case, we also have the how do we extract the slope of a line or the gradient of a line from the graph. Consider a graph.